Physics Class 10. Definition of physics. Physics is that branch of science, the branch of science which offer the study of properties of matter and energy. Properties of matter and energy along with the interaction along with the interaction between them. So property of matter and energy interaction between them. So first we should know about the what is matter. So you cannot understand, if you cannot understand matter, then you cannot understand the definition of the physics. So matter is anything that has volume and mass. So what is volume? So volume is the amount of space taken up or occupied by an object. Means the volume is the amount of space taken up or occupied by an object, any object who occupied a space. Then what is mass? The mass is the amount of the matter that something is made of. Mass is the amount of matter that something is made of. So this is the definition of the matter. If matter, so I will make this example by the diagram so you can easily understand what is matter. So by the definition you understand matter having volume and mass. And what is the volume and what is the mass? As per the definition you understand, the volume is the amount of space taken up or occupied by an object, and mass is the amount of the matter that something is made of. Okay, this is the example of the volume and mass. So I have made container. The value of the water in this container is around 20 ml. So the volume in the volume of the water in the container, it is 20 ml. So this all the liquid we are measuring in liter or milliliter. So now in this container the water volume is 20 ml. This ml is the measuring unit of the liquid. Liquid means milk, water, petrol, anything of the liquid. So here is the mass. So mass, I have made this weight scale. On this weight scale, one side onions is there, and for this onion we are measuring by the measuring unit is kg or gram or in kilogram. So this onion mass is 1 kg. So mass of the onion is 1 kg. So this is the mass and this is the volume. So matter is who occupied the space, as well as it has mass also. So that is called matter. Thank you. As we discuss about the definition of physics, there was a word energy. So what is the energy? Energy means the capability of doing some work is called energy, or it is the agent which is responsible to do work. Means energy is an agent which is responsible to do work. Energy is the capability of doing some work. So in the definition, there was interaction of energy and matter. So what is that? So we know this ice is the matter in the form of solid. Water also matter in the form of liquid, and gas is also the form of matter. So ice in the pot, in the solid form, we provide this energy of in the form of heat. This ice in the pot become melt and convert into water. We continuously provide heat, then this water convert into gas. So heat is the energy or agent is the responsible to do the work on ice, and ice become water and water convert to gas. So heat, what is heat? Heat is the energy that flow from high temperature object to a low temperature objects. So this is the interaction of energy and matter. So this is the example. Branches of physics. Mechanics. Mechanics concern with the motion of particles or bodies under the action of giving force. So we will study in detail when the chapter will come of mechanics. Then electromagnetism. It concerned with the observation and laws relating electricity to magnetism, as we know Faraday law. Electricity concerned with the electrical charges and their effects when at rest or in motion. Then solid state. Solid state concerned with the property of crystalline material only in which the constituent atoms are arranged in their three-dimensional lattice. Okay, then we have atomic physics. It deals with the structure and properties of the atoms as determined by the electrons outside the nucleus. Nuclear and physics. Nuclear physics deals with the structure, property, and reactions between the nuclei of the atoms. Then plasma physics. Plasma physics concern with the property of highly ionized atoms forming a mixture of the bare nuclei and electrons. Biophysics. Biophysics deals with the applications of physical methods and type of explanations to biophysical system and structures. Astrophysics. Astrophysics concerned with the application of modern physics to the problem of astronomy. So these are the branches of physics. One by one we will study in details.